What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Now, it's been a while since I've done a live trading video, so I'm going to be doing one right here. I am currently in a NASDAQ position off of this, I'm going to say, low probability demand zone, based off of hoping, exactly, the key term here is hoping, that we continue this reversal that we're having, this great reversal. We are coming out of an oversold kind of area from NASDAQ. I know NASDAQ is at its all-time highs, but I'm doing a quick scalp here, 1-to-1. As soon as it hits my targets, I'm closing my position and I'm going to be moving on. So right now, we will see what happens definitely. This could take a while, if I'm being honest. Or it can go straight to TP. Like my TP is like somewhere over here. My full TP. I was looking at gold buys to see if a reversal was starting here, but no entry confirmations. And as soon as I saw NASDAQ kind of give this sort of reversal starting to happen, this little pullback, I decided to enter my position. I do have my stops below this kind of low probability demand zone that was set between these three candles. So, you know what? It is what it is at this point. We'll just let the trade play out and see what happens. We're getting a pullback, so to speak. Oh yeah, this is getting very boring. I'm just gonna mute up and turn off my webcam and let you guys enjoy whatever happens. I might like adjust my position depending on how stuff goes, since it is later in the day in my trading, so I need to protect my capital here. Yeah, I will mute up and turn off my webcam. Nice, sweet. Well, TP got hit. I'm gonna still kind of hold this trade to see if we can. It's looking like NASDAQ wants to push and break this high over here, so I'm shaking my microphone. So I'll see what price is saying all the way up here. I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So it's a risk-free trade, and full TP is up here. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm out. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna risk just getting an extra, what is that, like 11 pips or something? I don't know, 11 pips. Yeah, I'm not risking that. It is what it is. You know, this thing could easily just dump, and there it goes, flying on up. But I'm pretty happy with my trade today. Oh yeah, definitely happy. Yeah, that is it. That is the live trading video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We are so close to 500 subscribers. I keep forgetting to say that. I should be saying that a lot more. But yeah, if you guys are new and you enjoy the content, hit the like button and subscribe. Our goal is try to hit 500 subscribers at least before the year ends, is my goal. So yeah, we'll see you guys all next time. Take care.